Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bonk token. Name of the token's Bonk, ticker symbol is Bonk. This token just got listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap yesterday. It was doing well yesterday. It's still doing well. It's up 106.9% right now, according to CoinGecko. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this is a Solana token. It's on the Solana blockchain. Obviously, Solana hasn't been doing very well recently because of FTX, and then that Serum was really affected by that, and just a lot of Sol and Sol tokens have not been doing very well lately. But this token is with its brand new listings and everything is doing very well. They do have their Sol scan here listed on CoinGecko. It says they have 71,471 holders. So they have an insane amount of holders on here. 5 decimal places on this token. Current supply, it says, is a billion, 99.7 trillion and some change. So, a lot of tokens, a lot of holders. They're doing very well. 71,000 holders, transfers going at 1 minute ago. There's tons of transfers going on consistently here. So they do have a Twitter here for socials listed on CoinGecko. They have 13,100 Twitter followers, and they just joined in July 2022 on Twitter. 434 tweets, so they're very active on here. It says the first Solana dog coin for the people and by the people. And then it has their token ID. You can find their Twitter at bonk_enu. It says, Bonk, have a bonkin' New Year's. Now, there's been a lot of other Bonk tokens throughout, crypto history here. A lot of meme coins like Doge Bonk and, like all these different dog coin bonks, where like some sort of animal is getting bonked in the head with a bat. Very strange, but so there has been a lot of bonk tokens out there in previous history. Now, if you scroll through their Twitter, tons of memes, and this is definitely a meme token because I was looking at their webpage earlier, and there's not a lot of info on their webpage. Very non-technical token, pretty straightforward here about what it's all about. Now, how do you get this token? So this is a Solana token. So first of all, you would need some sort of decentralized wallet that you could store your Solana tokens on or in. Now, I myself use Coin98. That's a great Solana wallet. So if you don't have a decentralized wallet for holding your crypto tokens, your Solana tokens, I do have a Coin98 referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that. You can find Coin98 in the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and all you'd have to do is download it, and then when you open an account, you could use that Coin98 referral code, and that gives you points, and then they have events and things like that where you could use these points. It's a really cool wallet. It has lots of cool events going on all the time. Like they had like Chinese New Year event, all these things where you could win like USDT, and I believe they have ones where you can get like NFTs and things like that. So like they had a World Cup one, all sorts of cool events that go on with the Coin98 wallet. So check that out. That's where you could store your Solana tokens. So this token is listed on Raydium. So basically, Raydium is a decentralized exchange. So basically how you could get this token is you would simply fund your like Coin98 wallet with Solana. Then you go into the dApps on the Coin98 wallet, search Raydium, go into Raydium, and then you could use the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko here or CoinMarketCap. It's listed on both. And then you would trade your Solana for the Bonk token using the using the Coin98 wallet, but using the referral code that you can find on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. And that's simply how you get the token. It's pretty easy. So yeah, even right now its tokens went up 34%. It's at 134.7% in the green today, doing very well. So if you head over to their official webpage, bonkcoin.com, they have their Twitter link, SoulScan link. They have a whole bunch of other links here, and they have a one-pager. They also have a chat button in case you get stuck doing anything, you need some help. So it says, why Bonk? Bonk is the first Solana dog coin for the people, by the people. 50% of the total supply airdropped to the Solana community. The Bonk contributors were tired of toxic Alameda tokenomics and wanted to make fun meme coins where everyone can get a fair shot. So maybe, you know, that's why they have so many holders, because they just airdropped a whole lot of tokens to everybody. So that could be it. That's a marketing strategy for a lot of tokens. I would assume from what they just said there about airdropping to the Solana community that most likely a lot of those holders are just holders with a very small amount of tokens who were just airdropped Bonk tokens, right? And so yeah, it says the People's Dog Coin. We aim to bring back liquidity to Solana dexes alongside Open Book's launch in an initiative we like to call Open Bonk. The 50% airdrop will be split as follows: 20% to Solana NFT collections comprising of 297,000 individual NFTs, 15% to early open book traders, 10% to Solana artists and collectors, 5% to Solana developers. For the full details, please see the Bonk paper. Now, I don't even see where their Bonk paper is listed. Maybe they're working on it, or maybe that is listed on their Twitter somewhere in a tweet. They also have a token metrics allocation pie chart here. So basically their token is split up between team development, marketing, initial liquidity, Bonk DAO, early contributors, 40 Solana NFT collections, early open book traders, Solana artists and collectors, and Solana developers. It says all early contributors will be subject to linear vesting over the course of 3 years. So basically that's all the info that they have on their one pager. And they have partners on here. They talk about their partners, and that's basically about it. So maybe you could find their white paper listed somewhere else, like on their Twitter somewhere buried, but it's definitely not available that I could see on their webpage. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.